boy Victor here, and in this video we'll be talking about WhatsApp automation. How you can automate your WhatsApp to respond to your customers easily even when you're not around. You know, when it comes to WhatsApp is a very good app. You build a relationship with your app and you build integrity and trust with WhatsApp. Unlike Facebook, if you don't have a person's number on your WhatsApp, you ask the person where he or she got your number, and if the person does not signify or does not say where he got your number, you have the opportunity to block that person immediately. It is very easy to do on WhatsApp. So using your WhatsApp, you build integrity, you build trust, and you build income. So how then, you're a business person, how then do you automate your WhatsApp to work even when you are not around? How then do you automate this your WhatsApp to work even when you're not around? So many guys have been using this on their WhatsApp. And this is actually going crazy. Some of them use autoresponder. You know, whenever you come over to WhatsApp business, whenever you come to WhatsApp, let me just check out one guy. Let me just check these people out. I just want to show you guys something. The message that you see whenever you send a message to somebody and you receive a reply immediately telling you that, hi, we are not available right now, we will respond to you as soon as we can. You can see this message here. It was sent through an autoresponder. So many messages over here. I'm just looking for a better one to show you guys. Okay guys, you can see this one over here. Busy right now, calm down, we'll reply as soon as possible. You can see how it is. So these are not a responder. Even when the person have not read my message, you can see the person have not read my message, the person auto responds. In other words, that keeps you waiting to know that the person is online, really online. Not like other people that will just leave their WhatsApp open. If you send them a message, there will not be a quick reply. You know, when a customer sends in a message and there is no reply, what your customer sees is you're on a serious person. Your customer sees that you're on a serious person. But whenever you automate your WhatsApp in order to receive or send out messages, your customers or your prospects will know that you are actually online, or you are working, or you are busy doing something. So what we are going to do over here is, if you haven't downloaded this app, you go over to Play Store and download it. On my previous video, I told you guys that you need this app. So on my previous video, I told you guys that what this app does is to respond to people. It auto responds to people. Autoresponder, that's what the name of the app is. You can go over to Play Store and download it. Go over to Play Store and download it for yourself. You can go over to Play Store and download it for yourself. So if you will come over to, let me just show you guys really quickly. Play Store. Let me just show you guys quickly. If you come over to Play Store, type in autoresponder for WhatsApp. WhatsApp autoresponder. The network here is a little bit slow. Wait for it. Okay guys, we are here on our autoresponder, and you can see different types of autoresponder. You can see, but the one I'm using is this one over here. I am using this one over here. I'm using this one. You can go ahead and download it, and let's just open it. Okay guys, if you are enjoying what you are seeing so far, don't forget to leave a like to the video and comment in the comment section saying WhatsApp automation. Let's go on guys. Just open it up. You can see this one is the one that I've created. I just created this one. I just created this particular one, so it's very easy. So when you come over here and then you want to create an autoresponder for your WhatsApp, you can actually use this app to do a lot. You can actually use this site to do a lot, but I'm just using it for my WhatsApp. You can use it for your Messenger. You can use it for your Instagram. You can use it for so many things. Let me just show you guys. Come over here if you want to create an autoresponder. Come over to this place over here. This plus sign over here down. So here where it says active, just stick with me here, and at the end you will gain something. Just stick with me. So where it says active, you don't want to switch that off, just want to leave it as it is. You come over here where it says select apps, the apps that you want to use the autoresponder for, the app that you want to use the autoresponder for. Come over there and click it. You can see Textrise, SMS, Galaxy messaging, SMS organizer, messages, Ayoba, Discord, Beep messaging, Hangouts, Skype, LinkedIn, Line, Viber, Signal, Twitter, Telegram, X, Telegram, Business Suite, so many apps here, so many sites here that you can use this particular autoresponder for. But we are just going to use the autoresponder for our WhatsApp only. We're just going to use the autoresponder for our WhatsApp. You can see over here where it says WhatsApp. Just click on it. You can see it has changed to green. It has changed to green. Then if you want to include your WhatsApp business, whenever somebody sends in a particular message, your WhatsApp business, in your WhatsApp business, what it will do is to respond immediately. So what we want to do is just click on it. After checking in the box that you want to do or the autoresponder to work for, you just have to come over to where is this sign is over here. Just click on it and it's saved. You can see where the apps are. You can see where the apps are. Receive message pattern. You can see where it says receive message pattern. So in whichever way, if you want to increase multiple questions or received message, like if the message that people are sending to you, like hi or hello, what you want to add on this received message pattern, what you want to add on this received message pattern is what people are sending to you. So that you will be able to the one that you will send will be different. So where it says receive message pattern, you can just type in hello. That means if somebody sends in hello, then if you wish to just multiply it or increase it, you can just come over here, or duplicate it. Just want to duplicate it, just come over here with that plus sign, just click on it, you start duplicating. You will just start adding any number you wish to add, but I don't wish to add any any received message pattern again. You just have to just stick with one of received message pattern over there. So you just have to type in hello, where it says all. If you click on all, if you click on this all, that means everything here, whenever somebody sends in an exact match of this hello, it will automatically respond. Whenever it contains hello, or start with hello, or end with hello, ignore case, whichever one. But for me, I will leave it as it is. I will leave it as it is on contain. So reply message, this is where what you want to send to the person. This is what you want to send to the person. You can also do the same thing. You can also duplicate it, but I'm not going to duplicate it. You can come over to where it says reply. You can say, hi, how are you? This will be my reply to the person. This will actually be my reply to the person. This is actually be my reply to the person. Then if you wish to add in hashtags, there you can go ahead and add in hashtags for it. Is a way to, whenever this hashtag helps your message to stand out. When I include this received message, this hashtag received messages, what this guy is actually sent to me, then what this guy actually sent to me on hello, that means the received message that he sent to me is hello. So the reply message I will send to you is hi, how are you? That's how it literally works. Then you can send in anything, sender name, sender first name and all that. You can add it, but I don't want to add it. I will just delete it. I'll just leave it as it is, but if you wish, you can add it. It's good. Let's go on, guys. You come over here where it says message reply with dialogflow.com. You can enable Dialogflow, but you can just leave it, uncheck it like that, leave it as it is. Message reply with own server. You don't have a server, you just leave it like that. I don't have a server, you just leave it as it is. Reply message text style or autoresponder. You can see this is the name of the app, autoresponder or autoresponder. You can see where it is over there. There are multiple replies. Do you want the reply to be once or random? Whichever one, I want the reply to be only one. You can delay it. You can add in any delay. You can wait for 2 seconds, 1 second, and other stuff. I'll just leave it as 0. Immediately the person sends it, it will automatically reply immediately. So reply to individual or group. You can use your group for this. You can reply to both, but for me, I will just put it as both. I will just put it as both. Whether you want it to reply as individual or to individuals or your group or a group of the group that you're interested in or any group. So specific contacts or group name, you can add in if you have a specific contact that you want to send the reply to. You can add in you can add those contacts here. You can add those contacts here and then separate with commas. You can see where it says separate with commas, like adding something like specific contacts or group name. You can say 080. Let me just type in a random number and then separate with commas. You can come over here and add another number, separate with commas. That is how it is if you want to send in to those guys or those people. So ignore contacts or group name. Contains or it will just leave it as contains. reply only at specific days. This is the number of days that you wish you can also reply. If somebody sends in a message, I don't want to reply every single time, every single hour, or every single day that the person sends in hello. What you have to do is just to check this button here. Just check it. You will set the time that you wish the message to be sent to. You understand? Just set the time over here. Just set the times that you want the message to be sent and days that you want the message to be sent. If you don't want it to be sent immediately, you can just change the time and dates here. But me, I'll check it. Repeat rule. Where it says repeat rule, you just leave it as 1. Repeat rule is 1. Then pause rule for contact, days. Just leave it at days as it is. Then when you are done, just come over here and then create it. Don't mind the ads. Don't mind the ads. They want to show me the ads, but I'm not interested in the ads. You can see where it says message rule saved successfully. You can see our message here, and you can see the rule. Then if you want to edit it, like you just want to edit it, just come over here. Just come over here and click on that person side there. Then if you want to delete the rule, just have to come over here and delete the rule. Very simple. So we have set our rule. So if you like what you are seeing, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I don't want the video to be long, guys. I will release another video on how to automate messages, or how you can automate your messages to start sending to people immediately. How you can automate it. You just have to push in a button, both the free one and the paid one. I'll show you guys how you can do it. But as for this video, we'll just stick with the get autorespondent. So in our next video, we'll be talking about how you can actually send in bulk messages, automate bulk messages. Each time you want to send in a message, just have to push in a button, and then WhatsApp will distribute your messages to all your contacts easily and fast. So guys, see you next time and stay blessed.